Hello everyone. In today's quality management class, we are going to solve one of the numerical from RTU old paper, and this is the example of single sampling plan and hypergeometric probabilities. So the given question is like that: a single sampling plan uses a sample size of 15 and the acceptance number is 1. Using hypergeometric probabilities, compute the probability of acceptance of loads of 50 articles, 2% defectives. So we can see that what is given in the question. Here you can see that sample size is equal to 15 given. So small n is equal to 15 and acceptance number is 1. So C is equal to 1 and load size is equal to 50, so capital N is equal to 50, and here the percentage of defective is also given, that is P is equal to 2%, that is 0.02. Then with the help of N and P we can easily calculate the number of defective articles, that is D is equal to 2% of 50, that is 0.02 multiply 50 is equal to 1. So it is given in the question that we have to use the hypergeometric probability distribution. So this is the formula for hypergeometric probability distribution, that is P of x is equal to d combination x, yeah, or the d by x multiply n minus d combination n minus x divided by ncn, this term, and here the value of x is 0 1 2. Okay, and here this term d by x or d combination x, the formula of this is this. Here a by b or a combination b is equal to factorial a divided by factorial b multiply a minus b factorial, and this term we call a combination b, this. So here we call like d combination x, n combination n, like that. So now the probability of getting one or less than defective items in the samples, we can write like that: probability of x less than equal to 1, and less than equal to 1 we can write like that: probability of getting 0 defective, that is x is equal to 0, then probability of getting 1 defective, that is uh, probability of x is equal to 1. And in this formula we simply put once x is equal to 0, then we get this term, and then again we put to x is equal to 1, then we get this term. And for this and this term I show you the calculation here, sample calculation, and this is the screenshot of the calculator. And for the getting 0 defective, the probability is equal to 0.7, then 1 defective probability is equal to 0.3, then the probability of acceptance is equal to 1, that is the total of this, and this is our answer.